This is the season finale of season 1, so take your time in answering. It's not the first correct answer wins, but the person with the most convincing answer. One of the famous deathbed scenes in the Torah involves Jacob's blessing of Joseph and his sons, Ephraim and Manasseh. This blessing is etched into our consciousness. Upon close inspection, there are a few anomalies or irregularities regarding this narrative which I want to bring to your attention and ask for probably some solutions. Let's look at a series of questions. Number 1, why the embrace and kiss before blessing his grandchildren? Number 2, why does it matter which hand is used to bless? Number 3, why not ask the children to switch positions but rather cross your hands? Number 4, when Jacob placed his hands on his grandsons, which of the two did he bless and why? And number 5, how old were these children, Ephraim and Manasseh, at this scene? And can you prove your answer from the text? The price tag for this question is a surprise. It's 5 solid questions, so you know it's a bountiful harvest. Before we end this season, I want to say a big thank you to our sponsors, Softron Group, Design Consult, and View Wide Drone Services for making this season a success. So, son of man, what seest thou?